Hi guys, we are in the camping La Viorna in the area of Picos de Europa. This time the area that belongs to another autonomous community called Cantabria. We're going to spend the weekend here camping, and today we are going to visit a waterfall which is called Retumbia. This is a 7.5 kilometers route, around 4.5 miles, which starts in Potes, a municipality in the autonomous community of Cantabria in the north of Spain. It goes through a village called Valmeo, where we will stop to eat, and after 3.5 kilometers approximately, it reaches the Retumbia Waterfall. Finally, we will walk back to Potes, where the route ends. We're about to start the route. Once we cross that river, we turn left and then we keep going, and that's the starting point. Far away in the distance here you can see the lower part of Picos de Europa, which we will be visiting in the next video. And in the middle of nowhere we found a little kitten who walked with us for a while. At some point he wished us luck, in its feline way I guess, and we continued our journey towards the Retumbia Waterfall. Notice how fertile is this land. It seems that you can grow pretty much anything here. I can tell you, if you go down there, it's going to be quite difficult to come back up. Just to mention that in some areas we found a lot of insects that were delighted to fly at times directly to our eyes. At times we missed to bring a mosquito net for the head. Well, that means we walked 1 kilometer already and we have 2.5 kilometers left to walk to reach the waterfall.
We found this place to stop, have lunch, and recover some energies, and then we will continue the journey. Well, we finished eating. Now we are going to brush our teeth and continue. I think we are very close to the waterfall, by the way.
That tree over there seems to indicate that the route should continue to the left, but that's actually not the case. Thankfully, our GPS system told us that the right route to follow is the one in the right. I thought it would be important for you to know if you want to avoid getting lost. Well, at this point there seems to be like a wide path, as if they are trying to build a road, which is rather unpleasant to walk through, but it's necessary to do so if you want to get to the waterfall.
Hi guys, we just arrived to the Retumbia Waterfalls, and we are going to enjoy the view. Obviously, we're going to have a good rest, and we're going to show you around in the area. And then in the way back, we are going to follow a different route. So in the way back, we're going to show you new views. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe. And also, I hope life is giving you plenty of reasons to smile. And if it doesn't, please keep fighting, as it is a matter of time. See you in the next one.
And don't forget that if you keep walking through the path for a little bit longer, that's a few meters, you will be able to see the waterfall from the top, with all the nice views that you will see from there too.